Today we're going to be making this traditional Guatemalan hen soup. The main ingredient for this soup will be these hens. For the vegetables, we're going to be needing 1 carrot. We're also going to be needing a leek, some garlics, 1 bell pepper, 1 or 2 tomatoes, 1 whole onion, cilantro, and some fresh mint. And of course, salt to taste. I'm also gonna be needing a squash, which I still have it here on the vine. There are different kinds of squash. The one that I have has some needles on it, so you really need to be careful when handling it. We will be using a glove to cut it. So these are all the ingredients that we'll be using. We normally also add celery. However, this time we didn't have any, so we're just gonna use these ingredients. The first step is to boil some water. I have here about 2 liters of water, or you can just pour half of your pot with water. Once it has boiled, you will then put in the hens and bring them to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, we will be removing the dark foam. That way the soup will be clearer. Once we remove the foam, we will be adding the tomato, the onion, 3 garlics, salt, and the fresh mint. We are doing the soup in a pressure cooker, so right now we're going to cover it and let it cook for about 30 to 35 minutes. 35 minutes have passed, so now we're gonna remove it from the fire. We're gonna make sure that all of the air is taken out to be able to remove the lid. Once all of the air is out, we are able to take off the lid. So you can see here we have our 2 hens and the first vegetables that we poured in. So we will be taking out the hens to place them on the grill. After removing the hens, we will be adding the rest of the vegetables. So here we have the carrot and the squash cut up into bite-sized pieces. We have the leeks. We are also going to be adding another ingredient, which is called loroco. You can find it in the markets, or if you're in the US, you can find it at any Mexican store. You chopped cilantro, chopped bell peppers, and the fresh mint. So we will be adding all of the vegetables to the soup. also be adding some bowl-like pasta to the soup. You can add about 4 ounces. And some salt to taste. Here we did not add the mint, the fresh mint. We will add that until the end. We're gonna melt some butter and add some garlic. And then we're going to season the hens with this garlicky butter so that it will have some extra flavor. We're gonna add some salt to the hens. Now we're going to be adding the butter with garlic onto the hens. And we place them on the grill. The vegetables are now cooked and we will be removing it from the heat. We will be now adding the fresh mint. Soup is done and it was served with rice and a cucumber and tomato salad.